Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have just learned about React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that all projects which we are doing through React 18. So today also I will be doing another project using React 18, and when we will be moving forward on our project, so I'll be telling you what the tag we will be using in our React 18 project here. So this video will be also really helpful because it will giving you help, and if you understand this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos, and share this video so both people can learn and they can see how to build things using React 18 and how to just use React 18 in our projects. So we are just doing React 18 projects, like you all know that, and from start we have covered up many of the things using React 18. We have learned about many of the like tags, watches, like we have just learned about use transition hook. Then we have learned about like how to install Bootstrap in our React 18, how to work with that. So we'll be also moving forward and building some of the websites using React 18 when we'll be learning this from start to end. And you can also check my previous tutorial, like we have just covered up JavaScript tutorial as well from start. You can also check that out if you want to learn JavaScript from start to end and be the full stack developer of that, because that will also giving you help. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing how to build this amazing React 18 tag and how to use it in our React 18 project here. So just in the previous videos, like you have learned many of the things using React 18, and we have covered up ES6 modules import export project in the previous video. So in this video, I will be telling you how to work with an amazing event binding and what is event binding in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So for working with event binding here, you have to open your VS Code and our Microsoft Edge browser from which we are working here. So I've opened these all things, and after opening these all stuff here, you can see we are getting all these files here. So now we'll be working on this. So here I will be raising all this stuff because in the previous video of ES6 modules we have just covered up all this thing. So I will be not needing here in this video. So I'll be removing, saving this. You can see all the things has been removed. I'll be changing its title as well. So I will be moving to the title and writing here title of event binding. So here I will be writing event binding like this. Then after writing this save, you can see we are getting the title of event binding. So I will be moving to my main app.js file from which we are working here. And now in this video, I will be telling you how to use event binding in our project. So for using event binding is not any of the tag. Event binding means you are combining two tags with one. So I will be telling you how to combine two tags here. It is called event binding. So now we'll be starting with that. So for working with event binding, like I will be making a button tag. And after creating a button tag, I will be giving its class name. In class name, if I write here the button, you can say here I will be now giving first of all event binding, the button name here. And after writing event binding, here I will be now just saving this. You can see we are getting one button which is saying that event binding. When I'm pressing, nothing happens because we have not combined it with any of the two, you can say two tags. So we have created only one tag. So we have to combine it with the two tags so we can just get our event binding working. So here you can see in the class name, you can give it the class name here. You can give its background as well. So I will be write bg like info. So here you will be getting the background of info. So here I will be now moving, save it. And here you have to just see that we are getting the background of info color on the background. You can see if I write here bg success, so you will be getting the background of like greenish color. You can see like this here. So like this you can work with this. If I write here primary, so you can see we are getting primary background, and the text is also changed into white color. So if I write here danger, so you will be getting the color of that. You can see reddish color. So here you can see means our button is working here. So I will be moving in this class name. Then I've written this bg danger. Then you can give it padding as well, or you can write here text center. After writing text center, so you will be seeing that our, if I just show you full screening, so it is not in center, it is at the back here. So for doing that, here I will be now doing one thing else, like I will be moving to my app.css file which is already linked here. And after moving to this file, I will be writing here button, and in button I will be now just writing here a tag which should be like padding, and in padding I will be writing 5 pixels. Save this, and you can see after saving here I will be now writing padding bottom. Save this. You can see now we are getting the padding bottom on our button. So if I write here padding top, save this, so you can see we are getting padding top, or you can also save it like padding here. So you will be getting the padding of 5 pixel on your button. Save. So we are getting 13 pixel padding on our button here. So I will be making this button down. So for moving here, you have to move in this app.js file. We are getting the class name of app. So I will be moving down right here app, and in app I will be now just making it in center. So here I will be writing text center. So here I will be now moving. So we have just written the padding. Here I will be writing 5 pixels. So we are getting it here, and after getting here you can just write border, and in border I will be writing here none. Save. So you can see border has been just changed into none. And after doing this, just you have to now do one thing else. Like here I will be giving the like you can say background, and in background you have to move. So I will be removing this background color which we are getting in our button, and we will be now binding this with our button. So here you have to do like this. Then I will be making this tag down, and here I will be writing padding which should be 58 pixels. Save this. So we are getting our button down right here 500. Then if I show you here, you can see we are getting our button here. So I will be moving it 400. Save. Then after moving here, you can see we are getting event binding button like this, and then you have to set its width, and width I will be writing 100%. Save it here. Okay, so by mistake I have closed it. So I will be moving to terminal, and then I will be now just moving to my Microsoft Edge browser. So here I will be now moving, and here you have to write Microsoft, you can say Edge, right here localhost. This is the event binding. Press enter. Now if I show you, you can see we are getting it like this. Then you have to move here and then save it, reload, and after reloading you can see we are just getting here event written like this, event binding. And now when you are getting this, here I will be writing background, and in background I will be writing crimson. So here you have to write, save this, and after saving here we are now just getting the crimson color of our button. You can see this, and then you can just write here color white. So here I will be writing save, reload. So we are just now getting the color white. So here I will be now just reloading here. So you can see we are just now getting this. So here I will be now moving to my app.js file, and here I will be removing the class name from here. Then you have to write only event like this, save, then reload. So here if I just show you, you can see we are only getting the event written on this button. So we have now combined this with the crimson color. You can see means that we have just combined it with the two things here. So here I will be moving to this file, and after moving to this file, here I will be removing these all stuff, and you can see we are now just getting the width here on our button. So I think that width is too much big, so here I will be making it like 15%. Save. And now you can see we are just now getting here 15% as it is. So here I will be writing 10. So here I will be now writing this, and then if I move, so you can see we are getting it here. So I will be now making its padding which is 5 pixel now. Then you have to write dot app, and here I will be now just making its margin which should be 10 pixels. Save it. So we are now getting it from the top here down. You can see this here we are getting our button. Now you can just change these all things. Here I will be writing justify content in center, and here you can write align items as well which should be in center. Then you have to just save it, and here you have to reload. So here you can see when I will be saving it here, so you will be now getting this all button working, and then you can just write here text align, and here I will be writing center. So here you have to save. You can see our button is now in center of the page here. You can take here padding bottom. So here I will be writing padding bottom which should be 25. Save. So it will be now moving down. So here I will be now just not writing padding bottom, right here padding top. Now when you've written this, you can see our button is now here moving in center. So here I will be writing 70. Save it. And then you can see our button is moving down. So here you can see it is in the center of the page. Now you can just give it the hover effect as well. So if I move down, right here button, and in button I will be writing hover. In hover I will be now just writing here like text color should be in white. Then I will be now just moving down, right here background should be black. So here I will be writing. Then I will be now just writing here transition should be 0.6s. Save this. Then here you have to now just if I hover on this, you can see we are getting the hover effect on our button here, and we have just getting our event binding project working. Means that we have just created this event binding project. So I hope you understand how to just create this event binding project and how to work with that. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos. And remember to check out my previous videos which I have uploaded. So just tell me, meet you next project. So for today, good. Bye.